DS diving, 25th, catamaran, Doctor's Limit, BT2. Let's take a look at the starboard side. Install your prop nut 6, I'll install your rudder 6, then I'm going to take off the, I'm going to loosen the nuts on your shaft 6, make sure I set the peed with that hammer I showed you in the first video, then tighten those. Looks like you only have a bow thruster on the port side, and I might even get a measurement of that, but there's a storm coming, so I've got to be brief. Thanks for choosing DS Diving Service.